Hi folks, welcome back. In this video I'd like to show you a new tool that I've just made. It consists of a pulling system, which is a plate, and two half nuts, which is incorporated around my crankshaft pressing tube. It's made for removing these camchain drive gears on the CRF off-road bikes. And it does that by encapsulating, get it into focus, encapsulating the cog in the little recess below it there, as you can see there. So we'll put it all together, slide the main tube, which is 15mm thick, with a 2.5mm recess in the centre there. So we'll put the two half nuts on. I'll let that drop into the recess, and that little recess there prevents those two half nuts from sliding outwards and coming loose. So with that in position, I use another little item which is important, which is a thread saving nut, which comes with the same machine's flywheel puller. The Apico part numbers on there that will come into focus, and that is the protector nut for going onto the threads here, and that protects the little tiny little reducer valve in the top there. So make sure that's nice and tight, the half nuts are lined up correctly, and all that's left to do now is to press out the gear. Line everything up so it's settled, and the actual price of the materials for this plate and these two half nuts came to about £20. So we'll support that from underneath and press out the gear. So that's the gear itself removed, and whilst you're there at this stage, you can also check the inner bearing. They have a bearing within a bearing on these new CRFs, as you can see there. So in this case I'm checking the bearing surface on the inside there, which is pretty good still, because that would go again. And on the inside of the inner bearing, or the bearing within a bearing as it is. So that's checked to go again. So when I come to press the cog back on, what I did before I removed it, I took into consideration the keyway and made a little mark on the cog there, so now it all goes back together again in the same place. So that's my camchain gear removal tool for Honda CRF crankshafts. Thank you all again for watching. Bye for now.